Are you ready to uncover a forgotten chapter of history? Once, millions of years ago, the earth, the waters, and the skies breathed more. Science estimates that atmospheric oxygen reached about 31%. Today, we breathe about 21%. And in an oxygen-rich world, life grew larger. Giant trees, dragonflies with wingspans like eagles, and millipedes the size of crocodiles. This isn't mythology. It's well known to science. Oxygen accelerates life and growth. So what do we actually know about this? A few years ago, researchers ran an experiment and created two environments, one like today, with 21% oxygen, and another enriched to 31%, like hundreds of millions of years ago. They placed dragonfly eggs in both to see what would happen. The result was striking. In the oxygen-enriched environment, the dragonflies that hatched were about 15% larger than in the normal one. And not only in the air, also in water. In Lake Baikal in Siberia, in cold, oxygen-rich waters, divers have reported fish and arthropods of enormous size because the lake's waters are rich in oxygen. It's also known that fish farms around the world that enrich water with oxygen generators see higher yields and faster growth. When the water breathes, fish eat better, breathe better, and grow faster. What happens when we aerate soil and add a touch of oxygen to plants? Studies show jumps in yield and accelerated growth rates, like experiments reporting roughly a 50% increase in corn, about 39% in peppers, about 25% in zucchini, and halved growth time for lettuce in hydroponic setups. Increase oxygen in water, air, and soil, and you increase life. Now, allow us to imagine a controlled, oxygen-enriched growing environment. Water, air, and soil boosted with oxygen like in ancient times. 3 lines, one for oxygenated water, one for fertilizer, and one for oxygen delivered straight to the soil. Oxygen generators enrich the growing environment in precise, measured, additional, and isolated percentages of oxygen. Powered by the sun, these oxygen generators create a new enriched growth system that also releases more oxygen to the world. A new green industry could emerge, entirely focused on increasing agricultural yields and the size of produce. As crop generations pass, and as we carefully raise oxygen levels in the growth environment, we could see yield increase and fruit size increase. Push it forward a few generations, and perhaps we'll reach giant sizes of fruits and vegetables, the kind you only see in movies. So here's the simple conclusion. If we carefully raise oxygen levels and simulate an oxygen-enriched environment, life will respond accordingly. Plants, fish, even animals could grow larger and allow us to dream. Jurassic Park suddenly doesn't feel so far-fetched.